ここダメね、ここダメ。もっと向こうね、向こう。ここから向こう。ああ、オッケーオッケー。
Good morning. Well, it's not gonna be a happy vlog. Why? Let me explain you. You know what? I'll show you. Just have a look. Just have a look and tell me, would you be happy being awake when it's pitch black? Well, it might not be that pitch black, but well, for my body clock it's around midnight. For the local time in Osaka it's 5:10, and I'm getting ready to leave, and the plan is to go to Nara to see the deers. Apparently they bow if you give them food, so they are really well behaved deers. Anyway, let's go and let's check it out. Station, Cosmos Square, I took the metro. There's no one here, and I'm not sure if that's the correct one, and I didn't purchase the tickets, so I don't know. Okay guys, so I have made it to Nara, and I don't know what time it is, but it took me around an hour from Osaka, and it's pretty warm. But again, about the way here, I got lost only twice. Not very lost, but I needed advice from Japanese people who, regardless not speaking English, they were very helpful, and I think that's the reason why I came here. Look. I don't think they like the cameras, but yeah, Nara. So, the first stop of the tour is the Todaiji Temple. Todaiji Temple was built in 8th century, although it was burnt twice. And they have rebuilt it And the temple that you can see right now was built in 1710, so over 300 years ago. And even though you can see it's quite large, it's only 2/3 of what it used to be. And what else? Oh yeah, and it's the largest wooden structure in the world. That's pretty cool. I think so. Try to build something like this, huh? So stop number 2 is the Kasuga Taisha shrine. Well, it's just nearby the previous temple I've just seen, but you can see from here a beautiful view on the whole city actually, and the previous temple, which I'm gonna show you in a second. The path to the shrine actually is surrounded by 2000 lanterns, and they are made of stone. It says here stone, so they're made of stone. It's pretty cool, and I'm sure it's super old, and I will tell you how old. Okay, I won't, because it doesn't really say. Anyway, it's a very nice shrine, and if you make it to the Todaiji temple, come just a few more steps up and see the shrine, even though it's 35 degrees and you will look like me right now. Enjoy the view. Alright, enough of temples, enough of shrines. Now the real reason why I came to Nara, and not because it's the capital, it used to be the capital of Japan. No, it's the Bambi deer. And I want to answer the question, do they behave well? Are they polite? Do they bow? Do they ask for ice crackers? Let's find out. So now that we feed the deers for a little while, let's find out what's the background. Why is there so many of them only in Nara, basically? So the legend says that in 8th century the dominant aristocrat clan, the Fujiwaras, the one that founded the go away the one that founded the shrine that we've seen a few minutes ago, the one with all the stone lanterns. Yeah, so that clan, they invited a god from Kashima shrine, and that god apparently he came over on the white deer, and since then all the local people, they pay all the respects to all the deers. And the one is trying to eat my camera right now. I will not pay any respects if he's gonna eat my microphone. Anyway, respect for deers. Let's feed them, they are nice as long as you give them rice crackers. And yeah, the legend is the answer. And what else? I lost the track, sorry. Right, it's your fault, guy, it's your fault. Cut.